It's time to go halls to the walls, honey. Look at all of this Crayola stuff. Haul time. How long has it been since we did a haul?
Especially our Crayola haul.
I know, right?
The best kind of haul.
Steph loves testing the very fabric of our relationship, and she thought this week we'd do a Crayola haul showing you all of the things that are bound to make me miserable in a video at some point.
Some of them you might like though. There's a lot of vintage Crayola products.
That's true.
There's also another craft product that's a vintage thing that's not Crayola that I've thrown in because I think that'll excite you.
Oh, okay. First things first, I want to show you this one first because it's in a similar vein to Black Diamond. Do you remember Black Diamond, the pony we made? Is it a money box?
Yes.
How is that a day look? This is Crayola Colour and Style, Rain and Bow. Do you get it? Like a rainbow? Look at them! But it's basically like the pony that Steph and I made in a previous video. Check that one out if you haven't. They do look a bit cursed, but you know, we make do.
I can already tell that like all the things that are provided with it are gonna like smudge off and it's gonna go everywhere.
It's gonna be like you do all your makeup and then you cry. Oh, and also, guys, as well, if you want to see us do one of these first, just comment down below what it's called so I can have a look at it and I can count all the votes and we can do that one for you. Next. As you know, we haven't had a lot of luck with Crayola crayons recently, in that they melted into the homunculus, and it was gross. These are okay as of recording this video. They haven't mysteriously melted, they haven't congealed, they haven't turned into anything. We've got cosmic crayons, pearl crayons, and some neon ones.
I do think as well that there's another one that we've got somewhere that I'll have to dig around for, but there's some glitter ones that have as well.
Ooh, okay. The next one. Ooh, do you remember back in like 2015, the Crayola marker maker? Do you remember that? We also did a more updated version of it not too long ago.
Yeah, with pastel colours. Do not fill higher than 15.
What happens when you fill it up?
Do not fill higher than 15.
Well, now I want to do it.
No!
Are you ready to be disappointed in paint form?
Oh yeah!
Basically, exactly the same sort of premise, but you make your own paints, which could go really well or could be really bad.
Well, as a little spoiler, I've heard that this one's very disappointing, so this one's going to be...
Tell me that! No, I was excited for this one.
Yeah, I think it makes very sort of gloopy carbonara kind of pasta paints.
Don't vote for that one. We'll do that one last, right? Right, guys? We'll do this one. No, it looks bad. Next, look at these. Just some straightforward fabric markers.
Yeah, I didn't even realise that Crayola made fabric markers.
Neither did I. God, the disappointment just keeps on coming this year, doesn't it? Colourful, detailed designs on clothes and accessories. So this is basically what Steph and I are thinking. Is grabbing some like plain white t-shirts for like her and for me.
Or like some plain white shoes or something.
Oh, shoes would go so... Oh my God, do one shoe each? Shut up. That's amazing. One shoe. We're doing shoes for this. That's incredible.
In whose size would we get them though? Mine or yours?
Oh, yours. I am wearing something. Shoes is such a great idea, guys. Yeah, if you want us to do shoes with these, you know what to do. Comment it. Fabric, line, markers. That's such a cool idea. Shut up. I'm so excited. That's amazing.
Oh, this one I am very excited.
This is Crayola Creations Fashion FX. And what you do is you take clothes like hats, jeans, shirts, whatever, and you customize and bejazzle them with this big machine thing. Look at it!
Yeah, and I've seen some reviews online for this thing that are less than stellar.
Stop ruining all the ones I'm excited for! It kind of looks like a telescope. And you stamp like the little bejazzle things on it. I'm quite excited. I told Steph I want to get like some plain shirts or a hat. Imagine a hat, that'd go really
Yeah,
cool.
I feel like we need to get either some like cheap t-shirts or just like some thrifted shirts that are like really knackered.
Ooh, we could do that. Spicing up some thrifted shirts. That'd be pretty cool.
We've never done anything like that on the channel before.
We can all get ringworm together buying thrifted shirts. That'd be really... I am quite excited for this one though as well. This is in the same vein as like, I can show you something that's similar to this that itches that part of my designer brain.
Do tell. Oh.
Good God almighty. It's the big set of hot heels. You ain't ready for the back of this box. Look at the designs.
Oh, it goes so hard.
Look at that. Awful. I could do much better than those.
And it's ticked all the shoes that are included in this package.
It's so misleading. Look at this. That's like all the set used on one shoe. Look how many like sparkly bits is on that.
Oh yeah, there's like hundreds of sequins.
Sequin, look at that.
But this is something that, if you didn't know, we'll put it up on screen.
Call it fate. But look, it's the perfect size for a trim at the bottom.
Oh, heck. There's a video that we have already done of a smaller hot heel set.
And I made the best shoe, hands down.
You did. You turned into quite the shoe designer. And people have been begging us to do this one.
So if you want hot heels, you got to comment down below. Adam made the best shoe, and I would like him to do the hot heel set, please. That's the only way we'll do it. Next up is another one that's quite nostalgic for us, because this is like a Crayola version of a video that we did a long time ago. That is the 2-in-1 Crayola Sticker Studio. Look at this bad boy.
And it's back to like the vintage Crayola creations.
Yeah, this is
again.
like this is old school. I'm really impressed at how well the box has survived over this time, because this is quite old. But I don't think it's ever been used. I mean, look, the quality of the box is like amazing. It doesn't look like it's been used. One thing that's a little bit naughty with it is that I think the sticker designs, you have to use theirs for this. We'll go through it like properly when we actually use it, but I think you have to use their own designs on this, because they're always bragging about 160 sticker images.
I'm excited about this one though. This looks like something that I would have like asked for Christmas as a kid.
Yeah, totally. One thing that does give me confidence about this set in particular, Binney and Smith.
Oh, I didn't realise it was still Binney and Smith back in the Crayola creations days.
That's the sign of an old Crayola product that's probably good.
We love to hear it.
We do, yeah. If it's Binney and Smith, like 9 times out of 10, it's actually alright, so I'm quite excited. And it's heavy too, it actually feels like there's something in there of substance. Now, you might have remembered, we mentioned a few moments ago, the Crayola marker maker. Well, I'm about to hit you with a reed with the Crayola marker mixer.
Wow.
Look at the back. It looks like there's some kind of like nuclear reaction going on in the marker mixer. Whoa!
Yeah, you guys aren't ready for what this thing is capable of doing, which is mixing markers.
Which is mixing disappointment. Look, I tell you, if it comes out like that, I don't know what I'll do. That's a digital image. We know what they're like. They Photoshop little photographs on there to make you think it'll be like it. If it works really well, I'll be very impressed. I reckon it makes 45 different marker combinations, which is pretty cool. But that's 45 opportunities to disappoint me as well.
Which also means we'll probably be filming that video for like 40 hours total.
Oh, I'm gonna make all of them! Why would you do that?
All the marker maker ones that we've done have always ended up taking like such a long time for us to film.
Sucks.
It doesn't suck!
Yes, it does! It's terrible!
You can't say this sucks when you haven't even used it yet.
It's its aura it's giving off. It's just a menacing, like, bad aura. It's like, use me and you will have a bad time. Right, we're doing the next. I'm putting that far over there. Alright, now you might know, we have a bit of a history with rock painting. Rock painting on this channel. And the rock painting sets have always been, apart from the anime one, because that one was quite fun, but that wasn't a Crayola set. The Crayola rock painting sets have always been very bland, always missing stuff, always a disappointment.
Yeah, if you want to see really disappointing art kits, that is also another series of ours you need to check out.
Yeah, we've got a whole playlist.
Yeah, we do.
Out. This is everything in the rock painting kit. It's a book.
Okay, so I want to explain what's happened here.
It's just a book!
I had to import this from America, and they did show in the listing a bunch of paints and like rocks and stuff, and then when it came, they'd sent me just the book.
It's just a book!
So I was like, oh, now I've got to go out and buy some Crayola paints.
Yeah, exactly.
Which I did. I went out and bought those paints for it.
That's leading on to these.
Yes, it is leading on to those, but now we need to go out and buy some flaming rocks.
Look at this, look. Although we will be using it very authentically, because in this book, step 1, no joke, step 1, go on a rock hunt. Step 1, go outside and pick up rocks.
Well, you know that we're going to be doing that for the rocks. I ain't buying rocks.
Yeah, guys, when we review this set, we'll be going on a rock hunt. I can already sense this one might make me a little bit upset. Now, when we did Drawbot, we didn't realise he had a family. And it turns out that we can't get Drawbot's family in this country no matter how hard we try. So, we had to contact a friend in America to find Drawbot for us and sent his family over to us all the way from America.
Yeah, so these Drawbots, they've been to like New Jersey, they've been somewhere else in America.
Look at them!
And I am so excited to make a video with these. If you haven't seen our first Drawbot video, please check it out.
Hello, it's me, Drawbot. I come from the distant future of 1970. Good morning. I will not improve your art. I will not inspire you. I probably will not even work. Now, let's create.
They are different as well to the original Drawbot stencil. These two stencils are different from each other and the one that we did before. So if you want to see us use these completely like different stencils, I don't know, what do you want to say? Give me Drawbot now.
It's going to be exciting getting to know Drawbot's like relatives.
I know, right? Because the other Drawbot is really aggressive.
Hi art friends, welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos.
Some of you guys might even be too young to even remember this, but when Steph and I were kids, McDonald's actually used to make pretty good toys in their Happy Meals, right? And did you know, at one point, they had a collab with Crayola of all people?
There's been a few Crayola collabs
yeah,
over
more
the
than
years,
once.
and different ones in like different countries. It's really difficult to try and like get hold of all of them, but I've been thrifting the ones that I can when I can. So I think a bunch of these are from like early 2000s. So
Yes, I believe so, yes.
And I've also got another package of some different
With some
ones.
more in. Look at this! Get out! I don't want to rip them out of the packaging because I'd like to save that for the video, but they're all different. Oh, that one's got like a little pencil and a little turn. Oh, that might be like a little spirograph sort of thing. That one looks awesome.
Cute how they've got like the little leaflets that it comes with as well,
Yeah.
showing all the different toys.
But what we'll do in the actual video, if you guys, want us to do this one, is we'll open them all and go through them, and we'll try and make some art with it, because without actually getting them open to see, I don't actually know how they work.
I do
which is
think
pretty cool.
this one might end up being a two-part video with like
Oh,
two
okay.
parts of McDonald's toys. Or we put them all together in one video and make it like a really long
A really
video.
long one. Let us know if you want to see it. What do you guys want us to do? Here is a little bonus for you, because this isn't Crayola, but it's very cute and it's old. Take a good look at the Bear Waltzing Duo.
A waltzing duo.
Now this might be in a similar kind of vibe to, do you remember the Christmas gonks that we did with cups? But back in the day, when Grandma wanted fun, what they would do is make some little rabbits and shuffle them on a baking tray.
Yeah, it needs you to get like a tea tray and some marbles. I think it includes the marbles if you turn it around in the back. I don't mind spoiling that there's some marbles in there.
Crayola would never. Look! Yeah,
Comes
marble!
with like a sponge.
We got the bears, didn't we, I think? Because you also get, oh my god, look at this. You get bear duo, bunny duo, duck duo, English badger duo.
Yeah, those are all the different ones that are in the set, but ours is the bear duo.
Oh, the bear one looks cute. But isn't that adorable?
Now, I can't remember like what year this is from or anything.
Yeah,
and
that's just what I'm trying to see, yeah.
so you know as well, we recently did a 100-year-old sketchbook tour video. And
banger.
it didn't particularly do very well on the channel, which is such a shame because it ended up being like...
It's so good, seriously,
It's
yeah.
such a big part of like history. that
World
we've had-
history,
Yeah.
seriously, like the whole
So,
world.
It's definitely worth checking out if you haven't seen that video.
Do check it
I've
out.
gotta
I promise
plug
you
it.
it's good. I promise you it's good.
And let us know if you'd be interested in this, because I'm not too sure if like vintage non-Crayola stuff you guys are still into. So just an interest check, vibe check.
Do it for her. Look at her awful hair. Do it for her. She's got a right bowl cut. She deserves this. So guys, it's up to you. Comment down below which one you would like to see first, and we'll make a banger video on it for you. Do check out our Crayola playlist on videos that we've already done on some good and not so good Crayola products. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle date.
Doodle it!
Bye-bye, guys.